We have some news just coming in at this point in time. Sambal now has been fortified ahead of Friday namaz. Sambal on edge ahead of Eid. Security has been tightened. No namaz on roads and rooftops diktat in Sambal. Cops conduct a flag march on streets of Sambal is what we know.
नमाज के लिए जो स्थान है वो मस्जिदें हैं, तो हमारे सभी इमाम साहिबान से, मौलवी साहिबान से, जितने भी हमारे मुफ्ती हैं, कारी हैं, मुतवल्लीज़ हैं, सभी से हमारी नियमित रूप से चर्चा हो रही है, वार्ता हो रही है। तो उन्होंने हमें विश्वास दिलाया है कि जहां पूर्व की भांति जो परंपरा थी उसी के अनुरूप नमाज होगी, उसके अतिरिक्त किसी भी रूप में कोई भी नमाज नहीं होगी।
राजनीति भी हो रही है नमाज को लेकर के, छत पे पढ़ेंगे या खुले में पढ़ेंगे, क्या ऐसे लोगों पर कुछ कार्रवाई का प्रावधान भी है?
हमने एक ही बात कही है, जो पहले परंपरा में था वही होगा, परंपरा से इतर कुछ भी नहीं होने दिया जाएगा।
अलविदा जुमा के लिए पहले चूँकि हर जुमे पर ही मजिस्ट्रेट की तैनाती होती रही है यहाँ पर, तो चूँकि ये आखिरी जुमा है रमज़ान माह का और संवेदनशीलता को देखते हुए 16 मजिस्ट्रेट तैनात किए गए हैं। क्षेत्रीय लेखपाल, राजस्व निरीक्षक सभी को क्षेत्र में डिप्लॉय किया गया है कि वो क्षेत्र में आक्रमणशील रहेंगे और किसी भी तरह की स्थिति पर अपनी नज़र रखेंगे। तो इसके अलावा पुलिस, सिविल पुलिस, पीएसी और आरआरएफ की भी तैनाती की गई है।
मस्जिद एवं ईदगाह के अंदर ही नमाज अदा की जाएगी और परिसर के बाहर सड़क पे कोई भी नमाज अदा नहीं की जाएगी और सड़क पर लोग बैठकर नमाज अदा नहीं करेंगे। और साथ ही बिजली पानी की कुछ समस्याओं के बारे में भी उनके द्वारा अवगत कराया गया है, जिन्हें भी समय रहते हुए पूर्ण करा लिया जाएगा और किसी के द्वारा अन्य कोई समस्या प्रकट नहीं की गई है। यह आशा की जाती है कि सभी त्योहार शांतिपूर्ण ढंग से संपन्न किए जाएंगे।
All right, I'm going to go straight across to Amit Bhardwaj joining us from Sambal at this point in time. Take us through the details of what do you see around you? I understand there is a tense sort of a calm in Sambal at this point in time with this new diktat really that, a namaz can't be conducted wherever, the people or the devotees want to. There have to be specific places where this can be done. Amit.
Sneha, the situation on the ground is certainly completely different from what we saw in the month of November when that Sambal violence had happened. And ever since there have been heavy security deployment in the district of Sambal, and more so around the area where I'm standing right now. On my right hand side is the Jama Masjid, the Shahi Jama Masjid, where that violence in the month of November had happened. And specific security deployments were also made during the month, during holy celebrations to ensure that the festivity goes on, but it does not disrupt the peace in this particular district, which has seen volatile situation ever since the violence of November. But to be specific about the situation on the ground, as far as the Alvida Juma Namaz is concerned, a detailed security deployment has been made. 10 paramilitary forces, companies have been deployed by the state, which includes the PAC and the RRF. The central para forces in one company of the RAF, the Rapid Action Force, has been also deployed in the ground. And as we speak at this point in time, a flag march is going on in the areas of the market of Sambal. So that started from the Shahi Jama Masjid, the RAF company, along with the PAC, RRF, all of them, along with the ASP, Sisir Chand. They are carrying out a flag march of sorts in Sambal right now to ensure that peace and harmony is continued. Along with that, as you mentioned, where will people of Sambal offer the prayers? So in district of Sambal, there are around 4 small or big mosques. Along with that, there are Eidgahs, and these are the designated places for offering the prayers. Yes, anybody who tries to offer prayer on the road or on areas which are not designated areas for offering the namaz, they will not be allowed. But certainly beyond that, there are enough spaces. For instance, 4 small or big mosques are already there. In this particular police station area, the Sambal Kotwali area, there are near about 128 big or small mosques and Eidgahs which are the designated places where the Friday prayers or the Alvida Jummah Namaz will be offered. But what is to be noted out here is that there has been a complete dialogue between the administration and the representatives from the minority community as well. So the peace committees were already roped in, the religious leaders, clerics, they have been also kept in the entire process, and they have their faith and trust has been already taken by the administration out here, and that is why on one side you see the security deployment that has been made in Sambal to ensure smooth proceedings of the Friday prayers, the Alvida Jummah. Along with that, the volunteers at the mosque are also on their toes to ensure that overcrowding does not happen, to be specific at the Shahi Jama Masjid, and drones are also being deployed in order to ensure that the law and order situation in this particular town, which has been on boil, which was on boil in the month of November, everything remains peaceful and calm. And that is why, as we speak, the flag march is going on. Drones will be deployed when the Friday prayers will be offered, and CCTV cameras have been already installed in the neighborhood through which surveillance will be made. But the effort out here is to ensure that nothing untoward happens, and that the people from the minority community are able to offer prayers at the designated places of prayers without any disturbance. Back to you.
All right, offer prayers without any disturbance, and what's clear before us is what we see on our screens at this point in time, and heavy police bandobast also. Amit, take us to the details of that. I understand police and also paramilitary forces, if I'm correct, have been deployed there.
Yes, Neha, the deployment is quite detailed. The very fact that, as I mentioned, there are 10 companies of the state para forces, which includes the PAC, which is, elite company in itself as far as the riot-like situation is concerned. They have expertise in tackling such tense, volatile situations. So, the PAC is deployed out here. The Rapid Reaction Force has been also deployed in Sambal. So, these are the companies of the state para forces. Along with that, Rapid Action Force, the Central Para Forces, one company has been also deployed in Sambal. Right behind me, you will see the Jawans of the PAC who are standing right outside the Shahi Jama Masjid. And as we speak, a detailed para forces battalion of the RRF PAC, those are also marching along with the local police in Sambal right now to also send across a message to any anti-social element that the police is on high alert. Along with that, 16 magistrates have been also deployed in different pockets of Sambal, not only the Sambal town where I am standing right now, where the Shahi Jama Masjid is located, but also in the different pockets of Sambal to ensure that nothing untoward happens. And if you have magistrate deployment on the ground, it also means that they will be able to take the administrative decision which are required to control any situation if at all that unfolds. But the effort, as I mentioned as well, the efforts, all these detailed security deployment and the administration being on their toes is to ensure that the Friday prayers or the Alvida Jummah Namaz are offered peacefully and there is no trouble on the ground. And that is why they have been in continuous consultation with the community leaders, with the clerics, and peace committees were roped in, and everybody was taken on board while these security deployments were being made. Yes, nobody in Sambal will be allowed to offer prayers on the road, so only designated places will be the place where these Friday prayers or the Alvida Jummah ka Namaz will be offered. But along with that, we have to keep in mind that drones have been also deployed. CCTV cameras are being constantly monitored by the administration out here. And the clerics and the community leaders have been also asked to alert the administration if they see anything, any anti-social element or anything untoward, even an ounce of it, an inkling of it happening. So they will alert the administrative officials so that swift action can be taken on the ground.
All right, I'm going to thank you for the moment. Amit Bhardwaj getting us those details at this point in time from Sambal.